Hi everyone, my name is Annika Furr and I'm the creator of Distilled Vinegar and Thoughts. Most of my thoughts, however, actually probably all of them, will be about cooking. It's called Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, Mastering the Elements of Good Cooking. It was gifted to me. It's by Samin Nosrat. Believe I'm pronouncing that right, but I actually never know. She claims that once you read through the entirety of her book, you'll be able to improvise your own recipes and create your own menus, even based on certain anchors and different flavors that you want to work with. And I found the idea of working my way, both reading and cooking wise, throughout the next at least year, maybe a couple more. It's pretty dense. There's two aspects to this challenge. There's the recipe element, actually cooking and creating, and then there's the more informational aspect of the book, which is this first half right here, which I will be slowly but surely reading my way through. Samin claims that she has distilled the elements of good cooking into its essence being this book, and the main elements being salt, fat, acid, and heat. I honestly do believe that by the time I'm done reading this book, I'll have a better knowledge of cooking and be able to improvise more. So I'm excited to take on this challenge and give very specific, in-depth tips from Samin herself, using her language and crediting her where it's due. She also has really great infographics, and the artist Wendy McNaughton has really great illustrations inside this book. I hope to find one of their websites in the future and add them in my channel description below, just so they get enough credit, considering I'm using all of their work. Looking forward to this, and my roommate's cat and I say goodbye.